This is why you need to predator-proof your chicken coop before it's too late. Don't let raccoons outsmart you. Your hens are counting on you. If you've got backyard chickens, you know predators are always lurking. Raccoons? They've got nimble fingers and can open simple latches. Foxes are fast diggers, they'll tunnel right under your coop. And hawks? They swoop down from above, turning your run into a drive-through. Here's how to foil those predators. Use hardware cloth, not chicken wire. Raccoons can rip right through. Bury fencing at least a foot underground to stop diggers. Cover your run with netting to block aerial attacks. And always lock up tight at dusk. Think padlocks, not twist ties. A little effort now means happy, healthy hens later. Want more tips for backyard chicken success? Hit subscribe and keep your flock safe.